Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with this episode of What Makes This Trade Great. There is NKTR, okay? NKTR. So, here are the elements. I mean, first of all, this is the pre-market action. So, if you're doing any sort of pre-market work, you could not have missed this. So the first thing I do is I just check to see if there's any sort of news on this. And yeah, this is the news. This is the bio. I think it was phase 3, negative results. Horrible results, obviously, and this stock was in essence cut in half. I mean, this closed 1060 or so on Friday, and down in the pre-market, it was all the way down to 570. So the first element, of course, is news. You watch this in the pre-market, you see this, you check the news to see, man, okay, what is causing this to go down? The other huge element is the fact that at this point, this is an all-time low. So I always ask, who is going to step in and buy something like this with the news so negative, and it's at an all-time low. So even if you waited for the market to open, this is the 9:30 candle right there. Even if you waited, you could have got it as a short around 5, or even if you waited underneath 5. You could have waited on that, and this is still moving down. I mean, that's a tremendous percentage move down, even if you waited to take the short just underneath 5. And so, I mean, many elements, making this trade, what makes this trade great? News, all-time low. Who's going to step in and buy? I'm not saying at some point there won't be a bounce on this one, but right now there was no bounce at all. So definitely, NKTR was today's what makes this trade great. So I want to get back into the trading room and see if we can find another one. This is the email address you can use for if you have any questions for me. I'm going to open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye.